All right, we're back into the Linux journey here. We left off at number 8, head. Let's say we have a very long file. In fact, we have many to choose from. Go ahead and cat the syslog file. All right. All right. Let's do this. How do we know which file? Oh, maybe we could do like a WCL. Nope. How do we get the number of lines for each file here? Number of lines for each file in directory Linux. Use the ls command and pipe it. No. How do you list number of lines of every file in a directory? WSL, WCL. You can also pipe it as well. Find xargs. I have no idea what that is. Printf. What does this do? Wait, does this work? Can we actually execute it that way? Find, type F, execute WCL. Missing arguments. Missing argument for this. How do we execute? This has got to be the worst manual one. It's not even like in alphabetical order. Executes. Yep, not here. Oh, because I was using find instead of file, I think. Find type F, find type F, execute ls. Can you do execute? Execute. I don't think you can. I think it's got to be like file. File, nope. Find. Let's do. Okay, yeah, it's in here. What? Find, execute, execute, WC. Missing argument. Oh, okay. So maybe you gotta add that. WC. Is this gonna work if I just do this? Because if it does, man, of course. Of course. Of course. Why does that work? Why does that work? What does this part do? Missing arguments. Yeah, I got no clue why that works. Why do you need execute? Why do you need that? Oh boy. Linux. How do you get to the manual? Let's do this. Man, sudo man page find. Sudo man find. Find. Oh, I already did that. So exec. Show diagnostic information relating to exec. Nope. Exec. How do you like go to the next? Let's see. Man page. Go to next search result. Next. And there we go. Shift N. All right. Exec command. Execute command. True. Right. All following arguments to find are taken to be arguments to the command until an argument consists of this variant of the exec action runs the specified command on the selected files, but the command line is built by appending each selected file name at the end. What? All right. I think this is going to be the time for ChatGPT. I think that's what we're going to do. All right. In Linux, explain find with execute options. When to use. For example, I want to get all the, I want to use WCL on the results. This is a lot. Find command in Linux is a very powerful tool used to search and locate a list of files and directories based on conditions you specify for files that match the argument. Find can be used in combination with a variety of other commands to perform complex tasks. The exec option in find allows you to execute a command on each file that matches the conditions specified. This is extremely useful when you want to perform some action on multiple files. Cool. Suppose you want to find all text files in a directory and a subdirectory and count the number of lines in each of these files. Like, what is this? This example, exec WCL tells find to execute WCL command on each file that matches the conditions. The brackets is a placeholder that find replaces with the current file name being processed. The / indicates the end of the exec command. Oh, okay. This command will output the number. Okay. All right. All right. I think we're getting there. All right. Let's quit this. So, where were we? Oh yeah. Find. Type F, and then we wanted to do exec WCL, put each one in there, each file, then end this with a / Okay, all right, and It would be nice to be able to order this, but I'm not gonna get into that right now. Les has 133 lines. That's pretty good, right? Boom. All right. You should see pages upon pages of text. What if I just wanted to see the first couple of lines in this text file? Well, we can do that with the head command. By default, the head command will show you the first 10. Okay. Boom. Nice. All right. Head. You can also modify the line count to whatever you choose. Let's say you wanted 15. And 15 less. Awesome. Okay, cool. Let's actually test that. 15 less WCL. 15. Cool. All right, onwards. Oh, we still got a test thing going. Did we do that one? We did that one. This was kind of weird. All right. What does the following command do and why? Oh, C. Okay. Bytes. Print the files. Print the first number of bytes of each file. The leading print will all. Okay. I don't know what that means. WC, right? I had a shortcut here for shoot. I had a shortcut that allowed me to move forwards and backwards. So basically, there it is. Basically, what you get in Linux, you got this shortcut that lets you go back one word and forward one word, right? The problem is when you're on Windows is that the right Alt key is different from the left Alt key, so you have to kind of recode that. So, all right, what do we have here? C15 instead of N. All right, let's do that. 640. What? 640. So, like, why is it? You know what? Let's do this again. So we got bytes, number. Print the first number bytes of each file with the leading, the print all, but the last. What does that mean? Print the first number of bytes. Oh man, what does, you know what? Let's use ChatGPT. We got ChatGPT over here. Might as well use it. Let's actually put that back in there. ChatGPT. Wait a second. ChatGPT. Got a lot of stuff here. All right. ChatGPT. Explain head C. Head command is a command line utility on Unix. Okay, by default output. Option command stands for bytes. It specifies the number of bytes from each input file that should be displayed. For example, if you would like to see the first 100 bytes of a file, you could use a command line. Print the first 15 bytes of each file. Okay, that's what that means. All right. What does that do for us? I'm totally confused about what we could do with the bytes, but all right. All right, what flag would you use to change the number of lines you want to view? I'm going to use that one. Boom. All right, tail. Similar to the head command, tail command lets you see the last 10 lines. Perfect. Tail N15 less. Okay. And then we got head N15 less. Yep. That makes sense. Another great option you can use is the F flag. This will follow the file as it grows. Give it a try and see what happens. All right, let's give this a try. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create another one here. All right, let's actually open this up here. So we'll split this up, and let's do this. Let's do tail F less. And then over here, cat, let's do echo hello there into less. Oh, yes, okay. Echo, this is working well. Less. Boom. What if we replace the file? Let's copy less into less 2, right? And let's do echo hello. Let's do echo goodbye into less. File truncated. Echo hello again less. Oh man, okay, that's cool. All right, let's get out of this one. All right, I love shortcuts. All right, that's a good one. Oh, cool, we can just scroll down. Look at the main page of tail and read some of the other commands we didn't discuss. The man page. All right, man tail. What do we got here? Bytes, useless. Follow, very cool. Same as. Okay, I don't know what that means. PID. Terminate, quiet, never output headers. What? Retry, sleep interval, verbose. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if these are useful right now, so I'm kind of just gonna. All right, what is the flag used to follow? Very cool flag. Next, all right, what do we got going on? Expand and unexpand. In our lesson on the cut command, okay, remember the cut command, so let's do cat sample txt, right? And we wanted to like cut C, let's say 6 to 20, whatever, sample.txt. All right, that works. Now, is this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? Okay, so I don't think that it actually does like 20. I think it just goes to 20. Right? Like if I do 24, how many is this? 6 minus 24 is 18. How many is this? 19. All right, the math is there. I'm just not good at math. All right. What do we got? We had our sample.txt file that contained a tab. Normally, tabs would usually show a noticeable difference, but some text files don't show that well enough. Having tabs in a text file may not be the desired spacing you want. To change your tabs to spaces, use the expand command. All right, expand sample. All right, let's do this. Cat sample.txt, expand sample.txt. Output with each tab converted into a group of spaces. What? Okay. Okay. Result.txt. Cat result.txt. So this is like a bunch of spaces. I don't see a difference here. Let's see what we get. Let's copy this. Copy this in here. Copy this. Let's find T. Nope. All right, maybe I got it wrong. I don't know. I don't know. Opposite to expand, we can convert each group of spaces to a tab with the... Yeah, but this isn't really working. Like, all right, let's try this. Yeah, it's not really working. Let's do rep. Rep help. Regex P. Regex P. We do that. I'm just going to try to find the tab. Regex P. All right, let's try it out. Result. Let's do cat sample.txt. Rep P. T. Okay. Now let's do expand. It doesn't find it. Okay. Unexpand. Let's do this. Can we do this? Unexpand. No such file or directory. I always confuse these. Like, I have no idea what's... Yeah, that's bad substitution. All right. Well, we could do this. Redirect it. Right? Can we do this? No, can't do that. All right, I mean, I know it works. I'm just curious why it works. Why does this work? All right. Let's do this. Expand. Oh, we had result, right? So we just cat results.txt. Unexpand result.txt. Unexpand result.txt. Let's do this. Result2.txt. Cat result2.txt. grep Perl regex. Yep. P here. Cat result2.txt. Unexpand didn't work. Unexpand did not work. sample. That worked. That definitely worked. So, oh, because there's the missing, oh, geez. All right. Expand A. Boom. There we go. That works. So, unexpand help A. Convert all blanks instead of just initial blanks. Have tab and characters apart instead of 8. Okay. Let's do that. Let's try 4. Well, we know we're not going to be able to see it. Okay, so, all right. It's kind of a weird, I don't know if we need this right now. What happens if you just type expand with no file input? I don't know. What's going to happen? Expand. With no file, or when file is this, read standard input. Read standard input. Expand. Hello. There. World. Alright, cool. I wonder why though. Like, expand. Help. Mandatory arguments for long. That's such a weird tool. Do not convert tabs after non-blanks. Alright, whatever. What happens if you just use expand? Standard input. What command is used to convert tabs to spaces? Expand. Alright, let's move on here. Join and split. I think we'll just do this one and then pause it. The join command allows you to join multiple files together by a common field. Kind of like the paste one, huh? Let's say I had 2 files that I wanted to join together. File, file 2. Join file 1, file 2. Yeah, this is kind of like paste. See how it joins together my files? They are joined together by the first field by default, and the fields have to be identical. If they are not, you can sort them. So in this case, the files are joined via 1, 2, 3. How would we join the following files? Okay, let's do this. Cat file.txt, or wait, nano file.1.txt. Like, how do they expect people to do this without the editor? Because I didn't see anything in this about an editor. 2.txt. Join file1.txt with file2.txt. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so hold on a second. Paste file1.txt with file2.txt. Yeah. All right. Now see if I did paste s file1.txt file2.txt, which would kind of be the same, right? So this is kind of cool, actually. All right, so it's pretty similar. Join and paste. Let's do file1. So nano file1.txt. Okay. All right. And it's not going to do it, right? File1.txt, file2.txt. Not sorted. Input is not in sorted order. To join this file, you need to specify which fields you are joining. In this case, all right, let's try this. Join help. Can we specify the fields? Field J. All right. Let's do that. Join J1. 1 is 2. Wait. Wait, what? Join field. Join on this field to file 1 and file 2. Equivalent to file 1 and 2. Huh. Equivalent. Okay. How do you use that then? Oh, because it could be like 3. Okay. I got you. Right. So join 1 on field number 2. Join second file on field number 1. File 1.txt. File 2.txt. Now I wonder if we could just do like a let's do. What's the shortcut for cut? Cut the word before the cursor. Can we cut a selection? If I do. Oh. Huh. How come it's not doing that? Okay. Cut a word before selection. Paste. Boom. Yes. See, that makes more sense because I'm working on the first file and then the second file. I feel like that's easier. All right. Join this file. We did that. That's good. 1 refers to file 1, 2. Split the file. What? You can also split a file up into different files with the split command. This will split it into different files. By default, it will split them once they reach 1000 line limit. Okay. Split file. Output pieces of file to prefix A, prefix B, and default size is 1000 lines. Okay, so I could do line 1. Do split ls. Wait. Split help. Split line, split L, right? Split L for lines. You know what? I feel like I should use those instead, like split lines. Split lines equals, let's do these, right? Split lines equals, let's do 10 less. No, it's LA. Do we have less? What do we got? Less 1, less 2. I didn't do it. Let's do file. Let's do find. Find type F, and we're going to do an execute WCL, put each file in there, and end this thing. Let's see which one has more lines. 27 is profile, bash RC, bash shot. So none of these are really ours, right? Like ls less 2. Let's split less 2, right? Split lines equals 20 less 2. And then, let's see what we get. 135 lines. 135 lines. So we still got the same thing. Different files by default it will split. I don't think so. It's not working. Plus 2. Split. Lines. Put number of lines records per output file. Oh, generate chunks output file. How do we change the limit? Default size. Where's size? Byte size per out. Generate suffix of length n. Put number lines records, that was not it. Line bytes. Put at most size bytes of records per output file. Yeah, but I don't want to do bytes. I want to do by lines. Chunks may be split. So there's input, output, kth. How do you split? How do you split? Let's do this. How do you split? In Linux, how do I split a file by n lines? Multiple small files, n lines. Yeah, that's what we did. Oh, wait a minute. It's the name of the original file and output file is the prefix. So you need the prefix, right? Split option, file, prefix. Do you need a prefix? Do you need a prefix? But without it, the split command will use default file names, which might not be meaningful. XXA. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. That's these ones. Alrighty. Alrighty. So if we did split lines is 20 on less 2, call it lessy, and then we did lsla grep lessy. Boom. All right. WCL. Can we do? Let's do find lessy. Execute WCL on each one of these, and it's 20 lines. All right, I like it. I kind of like this one. That's a unique one. All right. Join two files with different numbers of lines in each files. What happens? That's a good question. Cat file 1.txt. Let's do this. Let's split this one. Split file 1. Let's do lines 2, 3, because I want to get rid of that. File 1.txt file. .la. And now we can join. Okay, let me do cat filey AA. So now we can join 1 on column 2. That'll be filey AA. And then 2 on column 1. That'll be file2.txt. Cat file2.txt. Okay, so it cuts it off. That's pretty cool. So it's like a left join, basically, right? All right. What command would you use to join files named cat, dog, cow? Cat, dog, cow. Can we use multiple files? Let's see. File AB. No. Join. Help. Can you join on multiple ones? File 1, file 2. What command would you use to join files named cat, dog, cow? I have no idea. Wait a minute. Cat, dog, cow. Linux join 3 files. Only works with 2 files. If you need to join 3, maybe you could just join the first 2 and then join the third. Okay. Join the first 2 and then join the third. Huh. Cat filey A. Cat filey. Wait a minute. Cat filey A. What did we do here? Did that. And okay, let's try to do that. Join 1 on the first column. That'll be that. And then 2 on the first column. File 2.txt. Yeah, this is weird. Joined. What is this? Oh, this is the standard input. That should join the 3 files without creating an intermediate temp file. It tells join command to read the first. Whoa. Join help. Not both. Read standard inputs. What? No way. File. Let's do this. 1 is going to be. What is this? Right. So that's going to be join 1 on the first column, standard input, and then join 2 on the second column, filey AB. So cat filey AB. Yeah, that should work, right? So why is it saying it's not sorted? 2 is not sorted. What, bro? What is going on? so we've got standard input. Let's do this. 1, 2, 2. Input is not in sorted order. Cat file AB. Yeah, I know it's not in sorted order. That's what I'm trying to do here. File 1.txt. Cat file 2.txt. Alright, let's first try it out like this, I guess. File 2.txt. Yeah, that works. And it adds another one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. But how do we do... Oh, okay. Okay. So what's the first one then? What is the first one? 1? 1. Yeah. So how come it didn't work the other way around? This is file 1. That's this one. How come that worked with this, but it didn't work with that? Let's see what we got. File AB. Try to compare that. It's not sorted. It's not sorted. I guess because of that. Alright. Why don't we do this then? Head to tail N2 of file AB. Like tail N2 of file AB should work. Okay, so how come this extra operand 3? Oh, probably because I gotta put parentheses, quotes. Not a file. Right. It's not a file. It's not a file at all. Okay. Alright, I know what we're gonna do then. Tail. Okay, you know what we're gonna do. Tail N2 file AB to file AB. And then what we're gonna do is finish it off with that cat file AB. What? Tail. Alright, you know what guys? I'm gonna give that one up because I think we've lost it here.